Hello, good day. I'm Mec30, a student of Mec30, section E06. So for today, I will discuss a problem. As you can see, we have a given figure and I will show you how to determine the reactions on the support. In this problem, we have given two different types of support, which is the roller and the hinge. For this hinge, we have one reaction that is going upward. We can name this as RB. While for the hinge support, we have one reaction that is going to the left. We can name this as GX. And one is going upward. We can name this as GY. The first thing that we need to do is we need to determine the force acting on this shape. We know that the area of a rectangle is base times height, which is 1 times 55. So our area is 55 kilonewtons. While on this other shape, we can see that we have two different type of shape, which is the first one is the rectangle, and the second one is the triangle. In this rectangle, we also need to determine the force, which is also using this area, which is base times height, which is 5 times 15 gives us an area of 75 kilonewton. While on the triangle, we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base. The base is 5 and the height is 80, since we need to subtract the height of the rectangle from the height of the triangle. Gives us 80. And multiplying this 3, it gives us 237.5 kilonewton. And now, the first thing that we need to do is to use the moment, the sum of moments in B. So using the summation of MB, we equate this equals to 0. And since we first take the force going downwards, which is 60, and since it is clockwise to B, we use negative 60 times the moment arm, which is 3, followed by 55 times 1 times the moment arm 0.5 plus 30 sine 30 degrees multiplied by the moment arm, which is 2 plus 1 equals to 3, plus this 105 plus 15 times 5 times moment arm, which is 7.5. Since the half of 5 is 2.5, we add this to the remaining distances, which gives us 7.5 plus 1/2 times 5 times 80 times the moment arm 9 plus and minus GY times the moment arm 10. And by using the calculator, we can solve this and we can determine the value for GY, which is 236 kilonewton. And now the next step is we've used the summation of forces horizontal. So summation of forces horizontal, we equate this also to 0, gives us 30 cosine 30 degrees minus gx. And now we can solve for gx, which is 30 cosine 30 degrees, which is 25.98 kilonewton. And last, we can now solve for the remaining reaction, which is RB, by using summation of forces vertical. We equate this to 0, which gives us negative 60, since it is going downward, times the area minus 55, since it is also going downward, minus 30 sine 30 degrees minus 75, the area of the rectangle, minus 237.5, which is the area of the triangle that is pointing downward also, plus the value of gy. It is positive since gy is pointing upward, plus the RB, which is the unknown. And for this, we can solve now for RB. And now the given value for RB is 206.5. And now we are finished in determining the reactions on the support. Thank you.